Okay, we are fully dry. And now we're just going to toss in our lace. I'm going to go with the bigger hole this time. I started doing that before I was right in the center. Nope, can't tell. All right, so now we're going to cut us down a bit of twine or jute. I've heard it called lots of different things. And a bit of ribbon. And we're going to do double for these guys. We're just going to do these two. Might have to put one through at a time, but we'll give it a shot. See if we can get them both through. Oh, yeah, we totally can. Being careful here. We didn't put an eyelet this time, so we're just going to be really gentle. I'm going to put these through one at a time. Get them twisted around a bit just so they look nice. We're going to pull it a little tighter, but not, sorry about that, not too tight because we don't want to rip it through. All right, we can go through and unwind your twine if you want a few smaller bits. All right, and there we have it. Gift tag ready to go. So here's what we did today. Thank you so much for watching along. I hope that you were able to craft along with me or take a couple of ideas and take some time to craft something that you find inspiring, something that you love, and something that just lets you calm down and enjoy your day. So we will see you next time. Bye.